News Pinpoint Weather.
So the first event around 6:45, I believe you mentioned.
Yeah.
So I'm sure if you're going to be taking part in this, you're already awake and ready to go out there. And Kristen here looking at the kind of weather you could expect.
Yeah, make sure you're putting on a jacket. It's a little chillier out there this morning than it was this time yesterday. And my biggest concern for you, anyone who's headed anywhere this morning, really, is the fog out there. We're taking a live look from Coronado. You can see the prevalent marine layer, and here's a look at our visibility map. We do have some areas of low cloud cover. Fallbrook down to 0 miles of visibility. We're also seeing that fog really coming in thick in Palomar Mountain, Julian, Escondido, Vista, all the way down to El Cajon and Jamul as well. So please be careful. Watch out for those pockets of dense fog as you hit the roads this morning. Oceanside, good morning to you. Waking up to 55 degrees over in Ramona. 40 degrees this morning. Down in Chula Vista, you're waking up to 56. San Diego, we are seeing 59 degrees, and many locations today much cooler than this time yesterday. It's 5 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago in Escondido and Poway, and even 10 degrees cooler than this time yesterday in Ramona and Alpine. And get used to these cooler temperatures because a cool down will continue through the beginning of the work week. And we have this trough of low pressure that is headed towards California. We're starting to see some shower activity developing up in Northern California. This is going to dive down into our region tomorrow. You'll notice the sea breeze picking up ahead of it starting this afternoon, and then we'll start to get some strong wind at times on Monday and Tuesday with a slight chance of drizzle, maybe even picking up to a light shower. Not a whole lot in the way of accumulation with this, but just enough to squeeze some sprinkles out on Monday night into Tuesday morning. It's going to be 68 today at the coast. We see 65 tomorrow, and then we drop into the low 60s on Tuesday. High pressure rebuilds on Thursday, and we have warm conditions yet again for next weekend. 77 today inland, but by Tuesday we see 67. Take a look at this though. 79 on Thursday. We'll keep it in the upper 70s for next weekend. And for the mountains today, 72 is your high. Deserts, a toasty 91 degrees. Yeah, spring is back for sure. We have the Mirrorball Trophy on here Monday night because we are so excited. Dancing with the Stars returns right here on Channel 10.
I know, everyone excited about a new season.